This is a reading for Aries. If you're an Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, this may be for you. What does Aries have to hear for their greatest good? Alright, Aries, let's go. Your turn. What is coming up for Aries June 8th through the 14th? What can Aries expect, Spirit? Thank you, God. I'm gonna get an accurate message. My back is kind of tingling. Maybe some of you are getting upgrades that have to do with your back or your spine. Maybe some wings coming in. What does Aries have to hear here, Spirit? What does Aries have to hear for the greatest good June 8th through the 14th? What's happening in Aries' life June 8th through the 14th, Spirit? Ooh, that one flew. There's gonna be an expansion happening. Oh wait, two. You may be having to make a decision about something, and you're kind of weighing all your options. You're taking a look at your environment and the things around you and trying to make the best decision. There's some fire energy there. What is this Two of Wands? Well, actually, let's get some more cards. We'll get clarifiers in a little bit. More cards for Aries, please. Spirit, I need to know whether to take the cards that jump. Okay. We have the Two of Swords coming out. So this is a polarity from the Two of Wands. Oh, wait. We have 22. Again, you need to make a decision about something. You're at a crossroads. You're kind of defensive about it. You're showing up, Aries. We have an Emperor here. We'll get some more info on who this Emperor is, but the card Emperor is in Aries energy. And you have the King of Cups. You may be wanting to go towards something that you are offering emotional, what do you call it? What's the word? Like emotional currency. You may be offering some emotional currency right now, putting your heart into something, a project, a partnership, the High Priestess, and there's a lot of intuitive little nudges happening around this. So you may be wanting to go towards a High Priestess, someone who is intuitive. They may be in a church setting. They are wise. You also maybe might be going to see some counsel. So you're taking these emotions and you're going to see a counsel or get some advice. Maybe you need someone to do spell work for you. I'm gonna see if any more cards want to come out. Does any more cards want to come out for Aries? The Moon, sorry about that. The Moon is coming out. So it makes me think that you want to get some work done in regards to your ascension or your path during a full moon. So some of you may be preparing to do spell work with the next full moon or new moon maybe, but I'd say full moon because it's bright and shiny. Anything else? No? Alright, so I guess some of you may be getting upgrades and activations before the full moon is over. I'm going to get some clarifying cards. Let's get some starlight on the bottom. Let's get some clarifying cards. What does Aries need to make a decision about? You might be going to this High Priestess to help you make a decision for whatever is reflecting in these cards at the beginning, or some divination, because you're kind of in the dark. It's not revealed to you, and you may be offering maybe something in exchange. All right. What does Aries need to make a decision on, Spirit? What does Aries need to make a decision on? God. 5 of Visions. You think something, you were looking for something, but you thought it wasn't going to happen. But by some way, like, you're going to run into it. You probably will. It's not a guarantee, but you're going to stumble upon something that you were looking for by accident. An event's going to happen, and it's going to lead you to something you were looking for in the past, but you're not looking for it anymore. You're kind of done looking for it. And then you're going to have to make a decision about whatever this is that you thought you weren't going to find. Any more cards for the 2 of the Huntsman? This is some kind of justice for you. It seems like it was delayed, or maybe a path or something was closed because it didn't align at the time, but it's aligning now. It's aligning now. So a missed opportunity is coming back around for you, Aries. A missed opportunity is coming back around for you. It looks like, because of the Huntsman is here, it looks like if you would have found what you were looking for back then, maybe like a year ago, maybe 5 years ago, maybe 1 month ago, but I'm looking more like years. It looks like if you had found what you were looking for back then, it wouldn't have turned out well. And now it's coming back around because things are more aligned, and this is even better than what you had before. But you have to make the right decision by using your heart. Don't overthink, don't overanalyze. Keep your guard up and make the right decision. Try and combine your logic and heart, but use your intuition on this. And that could be why the High Priestess is showing up as well. She represents intuition. Although right now it may be kind of cloudy. But you're in good energy, Aries, especially because the Emperor showed up here. Some of you may be making a decision on an Emperor. Maybe an Emperor is coming back around, or a new energy of what you wanted, but a little different. All right, let's see. What is this Knight of Cups? Can we get some clarifiers for the Knight of Cups, please? Clarifier for the Knight of Cups for Aries. Child of Boons. So if you're giving a cup of, could be giving a cup of love, or receiving a cup of love, just remember the lessons you've learned. Don't rush into things. Don't get like love. This is pertaining to love. Don't get into love bombing. If this is a work setting, be aware of just like your environment. If you feel a certain type of way, take a step back and kind of like really look at the environment and say, like, why am I feeling this? Or is the way I'm feeling really happening, or is it a projection? Just take things easy and be cautious with whatever you're doing, Aries. Be careful. Sometimes things look amazing and we get in our head and we overhype something, and then we'll get disappointed because we overhyped it. You know what I mean? Like, it's our fault. We had expectations of something so high, but those expectations weren't warranted. So just kind of keep your expectations not low, but like a little, you know, moderate. Because if you set your expectations for an amazing lifetime movie love or an amazing job, which is not wrong, we want to manifest those things, right? But when we set our expectations high, we can get hurt emotionally when our reality doesn't meet those expectations or someone doesn't meet those expectations. So just be mindful of that here. But yeah, something's coming around again. A missed opportunity is coming around. It's not the exact same opportunity. May not be the exact same person. But I do see here this is better aligned for you for whatever you missed out on like a year ago or maybe more. I think universe also kind of wants to keep it a little bit of a surprise for you. So, yeah, that's what I got for you, Aries. Good luck. Let me know what comes in.